So, picture this, it's 1932 in Australia, and the army decides to declare war on emu birds. Yep, those tall, flightless creatures were causing chaos in the crops. The emus were like, bring it on, humans. And they totally outsmarted the army. They were too fast and sneaky to be caught. Imagine the soldiers chasing emus like in a Looney Tunes cartoon, but the emus were the real winners, munching on the crops like champs. The army had to retreat with their tails between their legs, defeated by these feathered rebels. The emus ruled the fields. And that's how the Great Emu War went down in history, a hilarious tale of humans versus birds, where the birds reigned supreme.